Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Airtel Unlimited 5G plan is active. Check the SMS or My Airtel app for plan name. Make sure your iPhone 13 uses the correct physical SIM or an eSIM provisioned for 5G, because only the provisioned line will register. Once done, update iOS and carrier settings in Settings General About. If a carrier update appears, tap it. These quick checks prevent registration issues later and let you move straight into enabling 5G on the device. Now you enable 5G and verify APN settings. Go to Settings Cellular Data Options and choose Voice and Data, then pick 5G Auto for battery smart use or 5G on to force 5G. If registration fails, edit the APN under Cellular Data and enter Airtel's APN. This helps data attach. Install pending carrier and iOS updates, then restart the iPhone 13 so new profiles apply. Make sure the correct line is primary for cellular data to avoid using the other SIM or eSIM. Finish by validating performance. Go to a known 5G area and run a speed test. You should see higher Mbps and lower latency versus 4G. Once satisfied, adjust Settings Cellular Data to control background use and enable Wi-Fi assist so you don't waste mobile data unintentionally. If you don't get 5G, reset network settings in Settings General Transfer or reset iPhone reset, and then contact Airtel with your IMEI and SIM number. That single troubleshooting step often resolves provision.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.